Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in the previous lecture we have discussed about the chemical properties as well as the preparations of aldehydes and ketones, and now we are moving towards the last topic of aldehydes and ketones, that is uses of aldehydes and ketones. So now let's get started. So now in this topic we are going to understand the uses of the aldehydes and ketones. So now let us start with the first one, that is uses of aldehydes. So for that we have certain points, that is, if we talk about formalin, that is nothing but that is 40% of aqueous solution of formaldehyde. So formalin used as preservative for biological specimens. So that is a use of an aldehyde. And talking about the next one, that is formaldehyde. If we talk about formaldehyde, so formaldehyde is a main component in the formation of a bakelite, because bakelite is a polymer that is formed because of the formaldehyde only. So there are many plastics or many other industry which uses formaldehyde as a main component to manufacture certain chemicals. So talking about the next point, that is acetaldehyde. So acetaldehyde is used in the manufacturing of acetic acid. So not in acetic acid only, it can be also used in the formation of methyl acetate or an ester. So acetaldehyde, which is nothing but an aldehyde, it has a various that is used in the industry. So talking about the other one, that is benzaldehyde. So benzaldehyde is also an aldehyde which is basically used in the manufacturing of perfumeries, or we could say that it is used in the preparation of dyes in the dye industry. So this was related to few points related to the uses of aldehyde, and now let us come back to ketones. So now talking about the uses of ketones, so we have a following points. So those are, that is, acetone and ethyl methyl ketone, they are common industrial solvents. So the nature of acetone is, it is very much volatile in nature, and it is also used as an organic solvent in many industries. So chemical industries, if we talk about. So talking about the next one, that is acetone. So acetone is a ketone which is used as a paint remover also, or it is used in industry which makes paint remover, as well as it is also a main component in the formation of a nail polish. So acetones are also used in that. And talking about the next one, that is, it is used in the manufacturing of plastics, drugs and disinfectants. So these are the certain uses of ketones as well as aldehydes that we have discussed about. So that's it. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you have got the uses of aldehydes and ketones. So I will see you next time. Till then, don't forget to subscribe to Ekeeda channel. Thank you so much.